Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix something went wrong on Twitch. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to restart a Twitch app. Sometimes it's a quick loading issue. After that, if that doesn't help, simply open up your settings. Inside here, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and now inside here, search for Twitch and then tap onto it. Just like that, once you're inside this kind of interface, tap on Offload app, then tap on Offload app again. This will clear up the cache but will keep your data. After you do that, you need to go and simply tap on Reinstall app. Now, next, you can try opening Twitch on different browser or device. This helps you check if the problem is with your app or account. And also, if you're using a VPN or browser extension, turn them off. They can block Twitch from loading correctly. And sometimes Twitch itself has issues. So you can go ahead and simply open up a browser. Inside here, simply search for down detector. And now inside down detector, search for Twitch and see if the servers are down. If nothing works, head back to your home screen, long press on Twitch, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then simply tap on delete again. Once you install this application from your mobile device, open up the App Store and reinstall it. That usually fixes corrupted files. And that's it. Clear cache, refresh your Twitch app, check your connection, and Twitch should start working again. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.